I need some more.
Not too much, not too much.
Let me help you spread it a little bit.
Let me do it because I can do
It's your pizza. Let me help you spread it a little bit so you can do the others.
it.
Is it yummy?
That's yummy.
What is it?
It's this.
Tomato
Yes, it's
paste, tomato sauce.
Yes, I like it. And I like mushroom. Not too much.
Not too much, yeah. No, enough, baby. I think we got enough. Now it's time for...
Mushroom. You had to sprinkle it.
That's right. Okay. Sprinkle it around.
And olive. I got some olive.
Yeah.
Olive and mushroom. Can I put some more?
Yes, put it on.
I did. Now,
Okay.
yes.
What's that?
We don't have-
Onions and bell pepper.
Yum. That tastes good.
Does?
Ooh. Yummy. I put some a lot.
Then some meat.
We need a lot.
Yeah, just sprinkle, maybe. Sprinkle it.
Let me do. I can do it.
Mm-hmm. What's that?
Can we put some more?
Yes, you can.
A lot. There's some more.
Mmm.
Then the cheese.
Yum.
I have to sprinkle it.
Mm-hmm.
I can do the cheese. No, let me do it. All by myself.
Okay. Put on the sides too.
I can't. Hey, let me do it.
Yummy.
Mm-hmm.
That, what is it? Mozzarella cheese.
Mm-hmm. Let's put some more. Now it's ready.
Ready for baking?
Mm-hmm. Ready for baking.
Okay, we'll see you later then, when it's all done.
But there's
No more, we don't need that anymore. Okay, say bye to everybody. Okay, say bye. Stay tuned for next time.